Correct. So now we discuss about the raw material used for culture media. Different types of raw materials are available in market by using of the raw material and by using of the raw material development of the microorganism culture. So different types of raw materials are there. First one is the peptone, and second one is meat extract, meat extract, and third one is electrolyte, electrolytes, and fourth one is water, and fifth one is agar. Fifth one is agar. So first we discuss about the peptone. So what is the peptone? What is the importance of the peptone? The peptone is a mixture of partially digested proteins. It is a mixture of mixture of partially digested proteins, partially digested proteins, partially digested proteins, which contains the digested proteins contains the amino acids. It contains the amino acids and amino acids, polypeptides, amino acids, polypeptides, amino acids, polypeptides, phosphates, polypeptides and phosphates, polypeptides, phosphates, and minerals are presented in the peptone. Minerals are presented in the peptone. So what is the peptone? The mixture of a partially digested proteins, and the next one mixture of a partially digested proteins, and the next one the next one amino acids, polypeptides, and the next one amino acids, polypeptides, phosphate molecules, minerals. So which type of minerals are presented in the peptone? So potassium and magnesium minerals are presented in the peptone. So by utilization of these compound presented in the peptone is a one of the raw material. So by using indirectly, by using of these compounds, development of culture media. And the next one is the meat extract. So what is the meat extract? So it contains a protein degradation products. It contains the protein degradation products. What is the protein degradation means? Protein is a digestion purpose. Degradation means a separation or digestion purpose. So protein degradation products. And the next one, inorganic salts. Inorganic salts. It contains the protein degradation products, inorganic salts, carbohydrates, and growth factors. Carbohydrates and growth factors are presented in the meat extract. It is a commercially available as a lab lemco. It is also known as a lab lemco. So Lab Lemco. So what is the Lab Lemco? It is the commercially available in the market. Lab Lemco. The meat extract, it contains the protein degradation products, inorganic salts, carbohydrates, and some other growth factors also presented in the meat extract. What is the growth factors? Growth factors nothing like the temperature, pH values, and etc. etc. The next one is third one is known as a electrolyte. So the electrolyte contains the sodium chloride, NaCl. This NaCl is presented in the given raw material of the electrolyte. And the next one, water. Next one is the water. So source of the what is the importance of the water? It is a source of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen molecule. Source of the hydrogen and oxygen molecule. These two are the mainly involved in the mainly involved in the development of the culture media by utilization of the hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecule. Why? Because of the culture media involved in the oxidation reactions and reduction reactions. So some are the culture media grow in the under oxygen. Some are the growing only under hydrogen molecules. So that is called as oxidation and reduction reactions. So these are the culture media. Development depend upon the oxygen, depend upon the hydrogen molecules. So the hydrogen and oxygen molecule both are presented in the water. That is water is the one of the raw material for the growing of the microorganisms. And the next one is the fifth one. The fifth one is the agar. The agar is the most important raw material in the culture media. Without agar, there is no chance for the growing of the microorganism. So NaCl replaced with the one more electrolyte, water replaced with the hydrogen molecule and oxygen molecules, meat extract replaced with the inorganic salts and carbohydrates and etc. Products are there. But there is no chance for the replacement of the agar. Why? Because of the agar compulsory by using of the agar, it produces the more culture media. So it is a natural product derived from a seaweed. It is a natural product. It is a natural product. It derived from a seaweeds. Derived from a seaweed. Derived from a seaweed. It contains the carbohydrates. It contains the carbohydrate, small amount of protein like minerals, small amount of proteins and minerals, small amount of proteins and mineral and inorganic salts. Inorganic salts are presented in the agar, and it has a no nutrient value. There is no chance for the nutrient value is here. There is no chance for the nutrient value. 0% nutrient is presented. It is you the next one, and it used only as a solidifying agent. It is used as a only solidifying agents. Solidifying solidify, it is used as a solidifying agent. And the next one, it used in the how much of concentration of agar used in the culture media. 2 to 3 percentage of agar only used for the culture media growing purpose. And it melts at the 95 degrees celsius. 95 degrees celsius, and it is a solid at the 40 degrees Celsius. It is a solid state at the 40 degrees Celsius. It melts at 95 degrees Celsius, and 2 to 3% only used in the culture media. It is only used as a solidifying agent. So this is about raw materials used for the culture media. One is the peptone. Peptone. Second one is the meat extract, electrolytes, and the next one water agar. So peptones is containing the basically it containing the digested proteins, amino acids, polypeptides, and the next one phosphorus molecule and minerals. So minerals like a potassium and magnesium. Meat extract like a protein degradation compounds are presented in the meat extract. Inorganic salts, and the next one carbohydrates, growth factors also presented in the meat extract. Electrolytes, it containing the NaCl. Water, it containing the hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Agar, it containing the, it is a natural product produced from the seaweeds. It containing the small amount of proteins and minerals, inorganic salts, and big amount of carbohydrates. There is no chance for the nutrient values in the agar medium. It is only used as a solidifying agent. 2 to 3 percentage are used in the every culture medium. And the next one melts at the 95 degrees Celsius, solid at the 45 degrees Celsius. So this is about raw material used for the culture media. So any doubts from this topic? Anybody? What? Peptone. Okay, right. So peptone is the what is the peptone is the one of the raw material of the culture media. So the by using of the peptone, by using of not only peptone, by using of the all peptone like meat extract, electrolytes, water, agar, by using of the raw material development of the culture media. So the culture media containing the for at the starting stage, it contains a few amount of the microorganisms, few amount of the microorganisms. At the end of the day, a lot of microorganisms are there. Why? By utilization of the raw materials, by utilization of the raw material, development of the numbers and growth factors. And by one of the raw material is the peptone. The peptone is a mixing of the mixture of a partially mixture of a number of compounds. Peptone is containing the a mixture of a number of compounds that contain the partially digested proteins are presented in the peptone. Partially digested proteins are presented in the peptone. And the next one is the amino acids and polypeptides and phosphate molecules and mineral molecules are presented in the peptone compound. So the peptone compound contain not only one type of product, it contain in the uh, partially digested proteins, amino acids, polypeptides, phosphorus minerals like potassium and magnesium minerals are presented in the peptone. So by using of these raw materials and development of the culture media, so that is about peptone. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? No more doubts? Anybody? Okay, right.